welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I am so glad that you stopped by so that I could share with you this happy mail that I received recently from Suzanna Lee of Suzanna Lee on YouTube. If you're familiar with her, then you know her work is amazing. If you're not, I'm going to drop a link below so that you can take a stop over on her channel and show her channel some love as well. She does amazing scrapbook layouts, beautiful different colors, textures, fibers, ephemera. She has a wonderful way of preserving memories. So I strongly suggest stopping over and just checking out and seeing if you can grab some of her ideas and techniques, because that's really where I'm learning from. There's a few of them that have mastered the art of memories and keepsakes. So without further ado, she had sent me a traveler's notebook, and I had commented on one of her videos, I believe, and she said that she would be happy to send me one, and I was ecstatic. And I had made a traveler's notebook sized ring binder for my son's photos, something that I could have just for sports. But this is one that I wanted to create to house pictures so that I can send to my dad. My dad lives in Tennessee, and so he definitely will appreciate an album with his grandson's little photos and whatnots in it. So if you're not familiar with a traveler's notebook, and I'm not sure if it's always the same dimension and always the same number of sheets, but this is 20 sheets. And then she also sent some cute little post-it notes, which you can also use in your spreads. But let me just see something. I think there was something else in here. Okay, there was a couple other things, and I'll show those to you in just a second. But the dimensions on here is approximately 8 1/4 by 4 1/4. So this is the paper is heavier than regular copier paper. So there's some goodies on the inside, and I like the fact that it is a craft on the outside. So that's about how thick it is. This is how long it is. Here's my hand. And I'm going to have fun playing in here. Now, some of the things she's included were these cute little envelopes. How adorable. And they're made out of a different type of paper. It's almost like origami paper, I would say. And it even has adhesive on the inside. Go figure, right? And some ephemera. There's a old school camera, vintage, date, destination. It's like a suitcase tag, and they're actually stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. And then there's this acetate, or I think it's acetate house. Isn't that cute? I don't even know if I want to put. Okay, I don't want to jump ahead of myself. But then she also included, here's a little note, I'll look at that later, this beautiful sequin mix. It says peach cobbler, and it has iridescent peach, like a copperish color, different sizes, and then a clear iridescent, pale pink iridescent. And I don't know if you can see it here, but those light, it looks like yellow, but it's not. Those are wood grain. So that's pretty surprising, isn't it? And that is by Spiegel Mom Scraps. I'm not familiar with that brand. I'll definitely have to go online and see what else they have available, but that is really pretty. Oh gosh. Now I also make jewelry, so sometimes it's difficult for me to reserve certain supplies for the craft in which they're purchased for, or that they're typically designated for, but nevertheless. So it's Suzanna, if you're watching, I just wanted to say thank you so much for thinking of me, for taking the time out of your day to be a blessing and to be an inspiration to those of us who enjoy preserving the memories of our loved ones and of our lives. And I will continue to stay tuned to your channel so that I can continue to be inspired. And again, if you want to visit Suzanna, I'll drop a link below so that you can go over there and see what she's doing too. So until we meet again here on YouTube, stay encouraged, blessed, and creative in crafting. Bye for now.